Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Boy, in terms of news articles from whence to comment on this channel, Trump is just the gift that keeps on giving. I mean, he's been banging out executive orders pretty much since the moment he became president. I'm starting to wonder if he's sleeping. You know what I mean? Like, what are they doing? They hooked they're mainlining Diet Coke into him at this point through like an IV drip? That's my question. That being said, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from CBS News. That's cbsnews.com. Article is titled, "More than 20 states sue Trump administration over order seeking to overturn birthright citizenship." Quoting directly, a coalition of Democratic states attorneys general filed a federal lawsuit on Tuesday to stop President Trump's executive order that seeks to eliminate birthright citizenship. So to be clear, birthright citizenship is you gain your nationality, you gain your U.S. citizenship by dint of the fact that you're born on U.S. soil. Many people have an issue with this because people enter the United States illegally in order to have a child there and thereby get a passport. And that you shouldn't be doing that. Now, I don't know if Trump's right or wrong on this legally. In fact, I think he's probably not on the right side of the law. But that being said, laws can change, and they very well might. I've discussed in other videos, we could very possibly see comprehensive immigration reform. In fact, we should. The right thing to do right now is to overhaul the whole system, create a whole new act, and go from there. I don't know if they're going to do that or not, remains to be seen. Quite frankly, for all of his talk in the first term about doing something about immigration, when he had a Republican House and Senate, Trump didn't actually make any changes to the law in the first term. So whether or not that happens now remains to be seen. That said, quoting further, Mr. Trump invoked presidential powers to begin his long-promised immigration crackdown shortly after taking office on Monday. His executive actions included an order directing the federal government to stop issuing passports, citizenship certificates, and other documents to many children born in the U.S. whose mothers are in the country illegally or for whom neither parent is a legal permanent resident. Quoting further, the lawsuit by the 18 states filed in federal court in Massachusetts claims Mr. Trump's initiative violates the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which the federal government has long interpreted to mean that those born on American soil are citizens at birth. The cities of San Francisco and Washington, D.C. also joined the suit. The 14th Amendment says, quote, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside." Well, that's pretty clear. If you're born there, you're a citizen. Now, again, this is just another one of these things that Trump does that sort of, on the one hand, it's like he always kind of is like 3 degrees off from the bullseye or something. I don't know. Again, I myself have real issues with the immigration system. I'm not particularly looking to take away the passports of babies born in the United States. And in light of the plain language of the 14th Amendment, what are we doing here? You know, the plain language of the 14th Amendment says you're a citizen. As a citizen, you have rights, privileges, and immunities. You have a right to a passport and things. So what is Trump doing? Meanwhile, if you really wanted to change that, you would promulgate an amendment and you would try to get it passed through all the houses in America. But that doesn't get headlines, and that's not, you know, something that's digestible in the sort of current news cycle we're living in, which is hard to even call a news cycle. It's basically just people being sort of fed news mimetically almost in little droplets or something. But long story short, and the thing to take away from this video, I think this is indicative of even more controversy we're going to see in the U.S. immigration space, so we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.